In this video I'll show you the latest abaya design and fustan design, the dress design. There's like this one. This is double chiffon abaya. There is handwork here. As you can see, this is handwork on the sleeves, and this is double layer chiffon, double layer with silver beads handwork. As you can see here, the same handwork is there at the bottom, full bottom here. In double chiffon there are many other colors, all sizes available, and this one is the crepe fabric abaya, and with the handwork in front. You can see this is handwork, and the same handwork in sleeves, light pinkish color, very beautiful abaya in fustan. You can say this is fustan, and see this. Let me show you color options here. So in crepe, these are the crepe options, color options. All in these color you can make this one abaya. These color options are for this crepe fabric. So this is crepe fabric, and these are the color options available in all sizes. For double chiffon, as you can see, this is double chiffon. For that we have another color options here. These are the color options. So we have many different kinds of fabrics. So this, as you can see here, this is the latest fabric right now going on. This is on the net organza. There is dot on organza. So here these two design, you can select any of the colors here, and you can let us know your sizes. For orders we'll make same like that, and our WhatsApp number is mentioned in the description. For orders you can send us message, or you can let us know your the color option, or the same. If you want in same color, we'll make in the same. So let me show you another latest design here. This is also one fustan in harir maksool. This is the harir fabric. You can see this is harir fabric. Harir is a little crush fabric. And this abaya is the jacket, and there is an abaya inside. This is the only jacket. This is black abaya on the black work. This is also the latest design, latest handwork abaya. You can see here. This one is also the black on the black embroidery, black handwork. This is lace pattern abaya. This one is also the latest design. This is made in harir, black harir fabric, and as you can see the handwork over here. This is black and rainbow color beads handwork. So this is also one of the latest design, and there is flares chiffon fabric at the corner. You can see here. So this one is one more black and silver handwork. This is also harir fabric, harir maksool, and with embroidery. There is embroidery here on the sleeves, both sleeves. This is double chiffon in silver beads handwork. You can see this is This is another dress in Barbie fabric. So we have more and latest design, black color abayas, black abayas, fustan dress, long dress, all the design, latest design you can check in our Instagram page link, and the name is mentioned in the description, and our shop name is, address, everything is mentioned in the description. Our shop is located in Sharjah in UAE, and we have shipping all around the world, and within UAE we have free shipping, and in different parts of the world also we have shipping. And check this design, the sleeves, long sleeves. This is 3-layer long sleeves. Design handwork here.